Hello everyone, I just want to talk a little bit more about this loudspeaker and what you can expect from it in a few months from now. So basically, as I said in the last video, this is an upgradable loudspeaker. This is the EX-11, and you will be able to upgrade the internal wiring and I think the crossover as well as this tweeter. So we think that's really something that's really different, and it's the type of loudspeaker that will grow with you. One thing that I want to talk about is the upgrading of this loudspeaker, the EX-10 and the EX-11 here, is that there will be kits that you can purchase if you want to, upgrade this loudspeaker or maybe improve the sound to your liking. So what these kits are going to be are basically, I think there will be 3 kits. There will also be a kit for the feet. So if you want to, I think there will be 3 different types of feet that you can attach to this loudspeaker. So this woofer is designed to be connected directly to the amplifier because there's no crossover. So the wires that are connected to this woofer are going to be replaced. If you want this loudspeaker to be a bit more warm sounding, we will have connectors that will give you that type of sound that you can add to this loudspeaker to get, a warmer sound to it. So yeah, so you'll be able to upgrade this tweeter, which is really nice. So basically you're going to have 2 styles of tweeters that is going to be upgradable to this loudspeaker. The first one, of course, is this 3/8 of an inch Mylar dome tweeter. And this tweeter is the same tweeter that is used in our LM series loudspeaker. And I actually have the tweeter right here. So this is the tweeter. This is the one that is used in our LM speakers. And again, this is really a nice sounding tweeter. It sounds very clean, very detailed, and it has a lively sound to it. So this is a tweeter that's actually in this housing right here. And as you can see, this housing around here that holds the tweeter actually has a metal grill in the front, and that metal grill is designed to really it really affects the sound on how this tweeter sounds by putting a metal grill in front of it. So we had to actually tune it so we could get the right sound from it, because we are using a different faceplate from this. So again, this speaker was specially designed to take advantage of this faceplate that has a metal grill on it. So that would be upgradable as well. And you have a tweeter that is similar to this, but it will actually be a 1-inch soft dome tweeter that you can upgrade to if you like. So for example, if you don't like maybe the way this tweeter sound, or you just want to change the sound of this loudspeaker, you could upgrade the tweeter. You could upgrade from a 3/8 inch Mylar dome tweeter to a 1-inch soft dome tweeter, and it will give you a different type of sound. So, and also you have the crossover that's inside this loudspeaker as well, which I think can be upgraded. So basically you could tailor the sound of this loudspeaker to your liking. Once you update those 3 components, the tweeter, the crossover, and the wiring, you have a whole different sounding loudspeaker. So that's what really makes this speaker, really interesting, and also a lot of fun, because you could tweak it, you could play around with it, you could, add different types of wiring to get different types of sound and different types of results. And it's just really a great speaker to have. It's not limited just to one type of sound, or limited to how it responds. You can alter that. You can change that. You can make it sound the way you want it to sound. So again, we think that's really great. And we're going to have 3 kits that you will be able to do that too with this loudspeaker. So basically the EX-10, which is not shown here, you could just change the wire on it. The tweeter is permanent. If it needs to be replaced, you could send the speaker back to us and we will replace the tweeter. But you can replace the wiring yourself, and it's really easy to do. But on the EX-11 here, not only can you replace the wiring, as I said before, you can place the tweeter and the crossover. So that's going to give you so many more options and so many more sound options that you can get out of this compact loudspeaker. So that's about it. I just wanted to explain a little bit about the type of kits that we will have for this loudspeaker that you can upgrade it with. So thank you very much, and see you guys later. Goodbye.